Look, kids school.
Hello, I am Tom, teacher. We will learn capital alphabet and small alphabet. Let's start the lesson. A, capital A, small a. B, capital B, small b. C, capital C, small c. D, capital D, small d. E, capital E, small e. F, capital F, small f. G, capital G, small g. H, capital H, small h. I, capital I, small I. J, capital J, small j. K, capital K, small k. L, capital L, small l. M, capital M, small m. N, capital N, small n. O, capital O, small o. P, capital P, small p. Q, capital Q, small q. R, capital R, small r. S, capital S, small s. T, capital T, small t. U, capital U, small u. V, capital V, small v. W, capital W, small w. X, capital X, small x. Y, capital Y, small y. Z, capital Z, small z. This lesson ends here. To memorize the letters, watch the video again.
Look, kids school.